Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I will show you how to add click to tweet to your WordPress website. So I'm on a blog post that I would like to edit, and I found a piece of text that will work great as a click to tweet. So this little text, it takes an average 7 times for a person to come across your brand before they decide to buy. I would like to make it into click to tweet feature, and it is very easy. So basically you need to go back to your admin area where you are editing the post and click where this piece of text is located. So it is located underneath this image, so I'm going to find it now. And I noticed that it looks better if click to tweet is sort of created after the text that we want to highlight. So I have located this image, and this is the text below the image where this piece of text is. So here it is. It takes on average 7 times for a person to come across a brand before they decide to buy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight it, copy it, Command and C on your Mac, and at the end of the paragraph I discovered that click to tweet looks best at the end of the paragraph, not in the middle of the text. And in WordPress it is very easy. Basically you just have to click this little tweet icon and the code is generated for you automatically. So you paste this text in the window, tick to add username underneath this text, and obviously you had to fill in your Twitter username beforehand. Click OK, and this is the bit of text that you need. Basically you can just use this text, which will be underneath the video description, and just change the text. So within this little bit, so basically this will be automatically connected to your Twitter. So basically you save, update the post, and I'll show you how this function works live on this article once it's updated. I'll just wait until the changes are saved, and I'm going to preview it again. It's very slow today. Okay, I'm going to refresh the page and show you how this looks like now. So click to tweet underneath this image, and here it is. It takes on average 7 times for a person to come across a brand before they decide to buy. There's call to action click to tweet, which is fantastic. It's a full width, so the display looks very professional. If I click on it, it opens in a new tab and I can click it as a new update on my Twitter, which is fantastic. I absolutely love it. So I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to learn more about SEO and about getting free traffic to your own website, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell to get new updates when I create the latest video, and also visit my website on www.rockpapercopy.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.